A darkroom is a light-safe environment where anything light-sensitive is done, like making screens. Dialing in the darkroom is an important part of the screen printing process. Let's talk about how to get the best darkroom in any space. Setting up a darkroom for the best conditions means you'll need a few things. Your space should be clean, dry, warm, and light-safe. Use a room or space with the least amount of windows. This could be a bathroom, a closet, or even a plastic-covered storage rack. Block out all UV light. Cover windows, gaps around doors, and any other areas where light can get through. Emulsion is light sensitive and can start to expose if it's brought into UV light. A brief moment of exposure isn't going to cause major damage, but it's best practice to avoid as much UV light as possible. If your darkroom looks like a cave, you're on the right track. Replace the lights in your darkroom with light-safe bulbs. These are most commonly red and yellow. Ideally, a darkroom should be about 75 degrees Fahrenheit and under 40% humidity. A hygrometer helps keep track of the humidity and is a must-have darkroom tool. If necessary, invest in a dehumidifier to keep humidity down. Screens will dry best if there's warm, dry airflow over them. Set up fans to blow across the screens as they're drying. For a cheap and easy way to cut down on particles in the air, cut out the mesh on a busted screen, or use an unused screen and attach it to the back of a fan. That will act as a filter. Keep the darkroom clean by mopping up dust and dirt. This will keep debris from getting on the screens and creating issues like pinholes later. Want to learn how to set up an ideal darkroom in any space? Check out the blog in the lesson description. It goes through setting up a darkroom in many different environments. Now that the darkroom is dialed in, let's talk about selecting screens to use for our design. Welcome to How to Screen Print with a Kit, the 150 edition. In this free course, I'll be walking you through every step of the process, from darkroom setup to reclaim. I'll be using the Riley Hopkins 150 kit. It has everything you need to start a screen printing hobby or side hustle. Jump in today and get screen printing tomorrow.